The Nile is not just a river, it is the lifeblood of civilizations. For Ethiopia, it has been a symbol of both promise and patience. From the days of emperors to modern visionaries, the dream of taming the mighty Abay has been passed down like a sacred torch. Today, that dream stands tall as a gift for the birthday of Ethiopia. The first whispers of harnessing the Nile's power came under Emperor Menelik II. Recognizing its potential, he envisioned an Ethiopia that could stand tall through its own resources. Decades later, Haile Selassie took the dream further, commissioning studies and laying the groundwork. But wars and political turmoil delayed the dream. In the 1970s, the GERD regime, under Mengistu Haile Mariam, sought Soviet support to build a dam. But internal strife and economic collapse buried the plans. Yet the dream refused to die. In 2011, Prime Minister Menelik II unveiled the impossible: the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, Africa's largest hydropower project. Funded by Ethiopians, for Ethiopians it was more than infrastructure. It was a declaration of sovereignty. Under Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, the dam became a national mission. Despite global pressures, Ethiopians rallied, donating salaries, buying bonds, and proving that unity could move mountains. Today, the GERD stands as Ethiopia's birthday gift to itself. This is more than concrete and steel. It is the culmination of generations, a gift of light, of pride, of independence. The Nile once flowed freely. Now it flows for Ethiopia's future. Happy birthday, Ethiopia.